Hey guys, mini vlog Gesana. So today I was told I should get ready so that we can go for breakfast. And one thing about me, I can never leave my house without taking a shower. I don't care where I'm going, whether I'm going like next door, I can't leave my house without taking a shower. So I had to do my morning routine. So over here, I'm just taking a shower and getting ready. So I'm using my exfoliating gloves and also Dettol soap. I die by these two because I feel like my skin is getting because of these two. And also for my skin, I use Vaseline because, child, there's nothing that beats Vaseline for me. For my armpits, I use Nivea. I'm not sure if I die hard for it though, but here I'm just using it, wearing my gym wear because that's what I wear in the morning. I'm not sure what I'm doing with my face, child, but I'm just getting prepared. My installation is not installationing, so I had to take this off because it's crusty. So here we are, off we go, going to our breakfast. The name of the restaurant is Arnold's Restaurant, and I love this restaurant so much. It is one of the best spots for me. Like, I feel like it does not get crowded, and also it's so like smooth, and it doesn't really like get super packed and jump packed, so I love it so much. Over here we ordered iced coffee. This one I did not particularly like it, honestly. It was actually my first time having it. My egg was not half done like the way that I wanted it, so I asked them to redo it. This is me trying to make my iced latte a little bit nicer, but child, I think I should just stick to Starbucks and also McDonald's for iced latte because this was not giving. But the breakfast was nice. So here we're just leaving the restaurant because we were done. The food was 10 out of 10 just as usual. So over here we just don't know what we're going to do, but we ended up going to Table Mountain because that's usually the spot that I love going to as well, like especially if I want to like see the nature or maybe like see the views. That's where I usually go, and it's really like a great spot, especially if you like want hiking or you want to take walks. So I wasn't going to Table Mountain where you would usually take the cable car. I was just going to a spot where I usually like walk. It's usually like a 4 kilometers walk. Usually like if you go up it's like 2.5 kilometers, and when you come down that's 2.5, which is around 5 kilometers. I think this is me just walking up Asana, enjoying the views, enjoying the scenery. This is it. I love this so much, you guys. I love exercising, so this is one of my favorite things to do. So what's nice about this walk is also that you get to see nature and also admire the view of Cape Town. So there's different views, seeing it from different angles as well. If you can see it from here, you can see Signal Hill, and also you can see the city in full detail. I love that so much. My man was also taking content, Quesada, so we were both just doing this thing. So yeah, this is so nice, you guys. I love this. Look at the waterfall. Love it, Kesana. It was time to go back. Table Mountain gets so packed each and every, doesn't matter whether it's weekend or during the week. Next, I had to go to Cabo because my cousin called me, so I was like, let's do lunch, girl, let's go. So I quickly went home and changed my outfit. This is Kesana enjoying herself, looking good. What do you mean? And this is me. I changed my outfit. This is how I looked. I was also taking some Instagram pictures because Sana, what's going out without taking pictures? This is Cabo, you guys. It looks super nice. It's always nice being here. Sana, I had my rooibos tea because I cannot drink because I am a breastfeeding mommy, a proud one at that. This is also the view of Cabo. It's such a lovely spot, man, and nice as well. That's me. I changed my outfit because I wasn't comfortable anymore. So yeah, we ordered pizza. It was super nice, and also the staff there was super nice. And this is us, Kasana, as girls, taking pictures, enjoying, and also taking stories. Yes, girl. That is it, you guys. I hope you had a lovely and productive week, and also a happy Easter, man. Enjoy your Easter with your family and enjoy the long weekend. See you in my next upload. Bye.